Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you didn't miss me too much. I know it's been an entire day. It's hard to wait that long. But we're going to be doing another portrait today. We're going to be doing Dan Yeoman. Yeoman. Trust me, it's not easy for me to try to pronounce these names. I wish everyone's last name was like Johnson or like Smith. But no, everyone's got to be unique and like make these names with these letter combinations that don't even make sense. You never see them in any other word, but then it's like, like Yeoman. It's just kind of frustrating, like if you're going to inconvenience everybody with a last name that's hard to pronounce, I just find it to be rude. So we're off to a pretty bad start already, I'd say. With this guy, but I'm gonna try not to let my emotions get involved because as an artist and as a portrait artist, painter guy, you want to try to be as objective as possible, so I will try not to let my emotions guide me too much. Oh, let me show you what I'm working with. So basically just this and this, and oh, there's a spider right here. Oh, nope, that's just the spider's leg. Oops, there it is. It's dead. I've been meaning to throw that out for like a week now. But, I keep forgetting. Life is so busy. It's hard to, I gotta make a checklist, a to-do list. And, that's gonna go right on top. So, go ahead and start. I waste so much time in the beginning just talking about nothing. So go ahead and do his face. He's kind of looking off to his left, but I'm really only good at doing looking straight on right at the camera. So I'm just gonna do what I'm comfortable with because I don't want to try doing anything new right now. Because, like I said in another video, when I try something new and then I make a mistake and I try to fix it, I end up making it a lot worse. And it's just not, it's a waste of my time, it's a waste of your time, and it's just not worth it. So I guess we'll finish up his body real quick. So he has a long neck on his right side. And then his neck's kind of like a lot shorter on his left side. And his shoulder is right there. His arm, it's coming out. There's his hand. Kind of pudgy fingers. He's wearing what's it called? His sleeve ends right there. He's wearing on his finger, what's it called on his ring finger? Ring. Right there. And then, let's see, that's his neck. So then his shoulder comes out of his neck like that. And, see, he's got like his fingers right there. And you'll see in a second why he's in this position. I haven't revealed why yet, but, it's a nice surprise. You guys will like it. So, yeah. Yeah, that's the bottom of the picture. So here's the big reveal is he's playing what's it called? Forget what it's called. The thing with the like a mandolin or a banjo. A banjoman? Or what's it called? Bass guitar. Bass guitar. He's probably pretty good. I mean, he's not looking at it. It looks like he's looking at, like someone was probably like, hey, what's the name of that instrument you're playing over there? And he jerked his head. Who said that? I didn't know anybody was here. Let's see. So the strings go down. You don't get to see the whole guitar. I guess he wasn't comfortable showing the head of the guitar. for whatever reason. I mean, it's okay. Some people aren't comfortable with weird, like, you know, people have weird, what's it called? I can't think of the word. I'm not an English professor. I don't work at Yale. I don't claim to be a master linguist or anything like that. So if I'm looking for a word and I can't find it, don't be surprised. And even if I use the wrong word occasionally, just know what I meant if you can. So he's wearing a shirt that says creator, but it's not even spelled right. So, like, where do you get this from? Like a 5-year-old? And then I guess there's like a drawing on it or something. I'm not doing a drawing on his shirt. It's ridiculous. Like, people want me to do 2 portraits. It's like there's one portrait on like him, and then his shirt. He wants me to do another portrait. So no. He has like these like markings on his arm. I don't know what they are exactly. But I guess he probably has some sort of disease. So I don't want to make fun of him, but it's just funny a little bit. Not like laugh out loud funny. It's just like if I saw him in person, I wouldn't laugh at him, but I would definitely like laugh and joke around with my friends afterwards and tell him like this guy had a really gross disease on his arms. And let's see what color in his face. What color in his... Actually, the picture's in black and white, so the color that I'm doing is just kind of like my own personal touch. But adding like your own personal touch is what makes you a unique artist. So, yeah, his shirt's like black. None of my fucking pencils are sharpened. So I might have to try to, really press it in there. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay. Let's see, what else? That's kind of basically it. Can't really, Oh, you know what? I didn't finish his, beard. His beard, that kind of goes like this. When it gets to his chin, it's kind of like, it's bigger. I guess I forgot to shave that part. Maybe it's hard for him to reach because of the way his, like his arms are. So maybe he's only able to really get like over here. And maybe, like maybe he needs help doing his chin and nobody was around at the time. So he's like, all right, I'll just, I'll leave it for now. And then maybe I could grab someone a little bit later. They can help me out. Yeah, that's basically it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to, I'm going to try to not drop this. I don't even know why I try sometimes. I really don't. So let's compare to the original. There it is. There is you know what? I forgot his name. Oh, Yeoman. Dan Yeoman. All right, Dan. Get that the disease taken care of if you can. All right, bye.